Hello everyone. So every Monday now I'm organizing an event which is called Mindful Amsterdam. It's an event about meditation and mindfulness. Nowadays, people are so busy with their life, with all kinds of negativities like stress, anxieties, fear. Because the society and anything around us, we are stuck in a sort of a conditional thinking and habitual thinking. So I like to organize this event to help people to pick up the skills of the mindfulness practice, especially the meditation technique, so we can sit together to do the meditation. So after this meditation, we'll have a longer discussion about some topics around the mindfulness to understand our human minds. So meditation and philosophy are the 2 points we cover in this event. It's open for everyone. So you are always welcome to join, to sit, to observe your own mind. Then we discuss the mind together. And this event is also part of the initiative I'm doing now, which is called Mindiverse or Mindverse. It's something I want to focus on the philosophy of human minds and try to get the message across to a larger audience to help people improve their well-being and live a peaceful and happy life. If you are more interested in Mindiverse, the initiative I'm doing now, please visit the website.